Fam, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do a good old hash brown omelet. So it's basically just an omelet with the hash brown on the outside to give it that crisp. It's a great omelet. So, hey guys, if you've never had one before, just sit back, relax, enjoy the video. And if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the hash brown omelet. The supporting cast, pretty simple. So I'm doing a couple different ways. One, a very traditional type omelet. The other one, just a little bit more fancy, a little bit more herbs, spice it up a little bit. So I got my sausage here, just regular old breakfast sausage. I got my bacon. I just use the thick cut bacon. And of course the star of the show, the hash browns. Now I cheated, I got these from the store, just took them out and thawed them. You can make fresh ones if you wish, but just to save me some time for the sake of the video. I got about 5 eggs here. And then of course my spices, I'm going to be using salt and pepper of course. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder in here. There you go. Excuse me. A little bit of garlic powder. Of course you got to have butter. And then on one of the omelets, I'm going to be using some cilantro. This is some fresh cilantro chopped up, and some parsley for some garnishment, and some onion, of course. And then my cheeses, some smoked Gouda. If you don't know about smoked Gouda, you better get to know it, because this stuff is awesome, especially in an omelet. And then I got some just regular old cheddar jack, and some pizza blend, which is some mozzarella, and then it's got some provolone in it, and a couple other cheeses in it. So it's just a mixture, but I like the way that melts. It melts really nice. But really that's all the ingredients that I'm putting in it, so it's very easy. But let's get started putting it together. That's the main part. Guys, so we're over here at my Steelmadeusa griddle. Let me tell you a little bit about this. So this is a griddle that basically just turns your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. It's a slab of metal you throw on top, gives you a flat top grill. I absolutely love it. I've had it for about 2 years, and I love this griddle. So if you want one, it's very simple. All you have to do is click on the link in my description, and when you check out for your items from their website, you just put in as your product code the number 5 Big Tone. Just put that in your product code. As your product code, you get 10% off. Tell them Big Tone sent you. But I love this griddle. So back here, on this eye back here, I'm going to start my onion. So I just got some diced up onion here, and we're going to just get that sauteed down just a little bit. And up here on this front eye, I'm going to start about 4 pieces of nice thick sliced bacon. Just like that. Alright, so we're going to let this heat up for a little bit longer, and then we're going to throw our hash browns over here where I got my butter waiting for the hash browns. Guys, so we're going to throw on our hash browns. Let me do one omelet back here. And I'm going to spread these hash browns out pretty thin. I want to get a nice even layer. So we're just going to let those crisp up, and we're going to continue cooking our bacon and our onions here, and we'll go over and work on our eggs here in just a minute. Once the bacon gets done, I'm going to throw my sausage down. Guys, so I decided not to wait on the bacon. I just put it where my onions were, put my onions to the middle and let them finish cooking. And we're going to put our sausage back here, chop it up. There we go. And one thing I love about the Steelmade that I know you'll like as well is that you got the 4 eyes, so you can control your temperature on the 4 eyes, of course. But then you also have the middle section which allows you to still cook, but it's not quite as hot as your eyes. So that's where I put my onions. Onions don't take as long as some of the other things. So I just put those in the middle, let them continue cooking, and we're good to go. But look at this bacon. Ooh, this bacon looks good. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you know me, you know if you've been watching me for a while, I'm a person who likes to add flavor to every element. So I'm going to season my vegetables a little bit, my onion, a little bit of salt, my potatoes, a little salt. Alright, hit them with a little bit of black pepper. The bacon's done. I'm going to throw that in the middle just like this. Let that continue to stay warm. Sausage is just about there. Alright, so let me do my eggs real quick. I'll show you what I'm doing here in just a second. I got my eggs, my 5 eggs in the bowl here. Hit it with a little bit of salt. If you know me, I love my black pepper. Hit it with a lot of black pepper for me. You put what you want to on there. And we're going to do a little bit of garlic powder in there. We're going to beat this up. And I'm going to transfer those to a better utensil just to pour on the stove. But there's my eggs. We're going to go back on over to the flat. Sausage is done. Bacon's done. Onion is done. Alright, so we got my eggs, and I'm going to pour a little bit over my hash browns here. Alright, and for one of these, this back one here, we're going to put our sausage in there. And this front one, I said sausage, my bacon in there, I'm sorry. And this one we're going to put our sausage in there. We're going to add onion to both. Oh man, this is looking good, looking good. Alright, so the one that's in the back with the bacon, I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro in there, a little fresh cilantro. Sorry about my arm. And that's the one we're going to hit with my smoked Gouda as well. Hit that with the smoked Gouda. And the one that's here up front, I'm going to hit with my Colby Jack blend. And my sort of pizza blend, I guess you could say. Alright, so it's time to flip, guys. It's time to flip. So we're just going to take this omelet, first one here. We're just going to fold it over. Look at that brown. Oh, look at that crust. Ooh, Lord. Look at that. And this one back here, fold it over. Try to fold it twice, but I can't do it. So, look at that crust on that one. Oh my Lord. Oh Lord. Alright guys, it's almost time to take these off. But I'm going to let them cook for a little bit longer, get that cheese nice and melted. and then I'll display them on the plate for you. Oh my God! You can't tell me you can't do this at home, man. Oh my God, that looks so good. Hey, enough talking. You know I'm about getting that bite. Hash brown omelet. Made it right here at home. Oh my God, it looks good. You know I'm about that bite. Let me get a little bite of this one here. Child, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. That is awesome, guys. Hey, if you want one of the Steelmadeusa griddles, just click on the link in my description. Enter 5 Big Tone as your product code. You get 10% off. Tell them Big Tone sent you. But hey, guys, if you like this video, do me a favor. It's free. Just like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.